Don't forget we are still on Wait and Laugh. Mike 1, I'm still your boy, the Honorable Commissioner for Laughter, aka
Top and that's not like again.
Dalo, top Jokurata bread, the talkative pretender, top Unsu, top Omazi, Honorable Code Kumo, ya de Catrate Quake. Adiegu. I wanted some Ajo Jaga Joe, Abanezatia, on Weber Reward again. Get to go for my Peter angrily meets Silas. Silas, enough is enough. I want my money now. Instead of Silas to pay him the money, he said, I will kill myself so that I won't pay you. He pulled the gun and shot himself dead. Surprisingly, Peter laughed at him and said, if you think you will get away with my money, you are wrong. I will follow you until you pay me. He takes the gun and shot himself dead as well. Then another man who is watching them from a distance laughed and said, these guys are funny. I must watch this to the end. He also took the gun and killed himself. Then my question is, who is the most stupid out of them? Think well before you answer. Send your answers to 070-6108-2212.